So, meron tayo ditong 5 problems. Okay, susunod natin to isa-isa. So, for number 1, the quantity negative m to the 4 raised to the power of 3. So, pag ganito na negative siya, yung una natin gagawin is i-factor out muna natin yung negative 1 para maging positive lang siya. Then, apply na natin yung laws of exponent dito. So, product siya. Ni-raise siya sa exponent. So, gagamit tayo ng product law of exponent. Power of the product. Any number m and n and integers x and y, m times n raised to the power of x is equal to m to the power of x times n to the power of x. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, i-distribute lang natin tong exponent dito sa dalawang to. Okay, so magiging ganito na yung kanyang tsura nitong ating equation. Then, simplify natin to. So, gagamit ulit tayo dito ng law of exponent. Kasi may exponent siya. Then, na-raise pa siya sa exponent. Power of a power. So, gamit tayo ng power of a power law. Ito naman yung sinasabi ng power of a power. Any number m in integers x and y, m to the power of x raised to the power of y is equivalent to m to the power of xy. So, multiply lang natin itong dalawang power. So, ganun pala yung gagawin natin dito. Okay, so magiging 3 times 4 na. So, magiging 12 na siya. Okay, multiply na natin based dito sa power of power rule. Then, simplify natin. Negative 1 to the power 3 is multiply natin siya 3 times by itself kasi 3 yung exponent niya. And simplify. Negative 1 times negative 1 magiging positive. Copy lang natin to. Then, simplify ulit. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So, isa-isa lang natin para makita nyo. Then, negative 1 times m to the 12 is negative m to the power 12. So, ito na yung ating final answer dito. For number 2, 10c cubed over the 2d cubed to the power of 2. So, yung quotient nito, na-raise natin to the power of 2. So, gagamit tayo dito ng power of the quotient rule. Ito naman yung sinasabi ng power of the quotient rule. Any number m and integers x and y, m over n raised to the power of x is equal to m to the power of x over n to the power of x. So, di-distribute lang natin yung exponent dito sa ating expression. So, ganito na yung magiging itsura nito. 10 to the 2, c cubed to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, d cubed to the power of 2. So, dinistribute lang natin itong exponent isa-isa sa kanila. Okay, ganun lang yung power of quotient rule. Then, simplify natin. Igagamit ulit tayo dito ng power of power rule kasi meron tayong c cubed raised to the power of 2. So, power of power siya. So, simplify lang natin. 10 squared is 100. Ito, 3 times 2 is 6. Power of power yan. 2 squared is 4. And again, power of power rule. 3 times 2 is 6. Then, 100 over 4 is 25. Copy lang natin to. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. For number 3, 3 squared b c cubed to the power of 3. So, ito naman, naka-multiply naman sila. Gagamit naman tayo ng power of a product rule. So, ito naman yun. Any numbers m and n and integers x and y, m times n to the power of x is equivalent to mx and x. So, di-distribute lang natin ulit tong exponent dito. Okay? So, yun na. Distribute na natin. 3 cube, a squared cube, b cube, c cube to the power of 3. So, distribute lang natin yung 3 isa-isa dito. Then, again, power by power na naman. Alam natin yan. Simplify. 3 cube is 27. Power by power. 2 times 3 is 6. Copy lang. B cube. C. 3 times 3 is 9. So, yun na yan. And for number 4, meron tayong 2x cubed y squared c times 3x squared y z squared. So, dito naman, yung gagawin natin, igugrupo muna natin yung mga magkakaparehong variable. Okay? So, una yung constant muna, 2 times 3. Then, yung mga x cubed, x squared. y squared times y, z times z squared. So, ganito ang yun. Igugrupo mo muna yung mga magkakaparehong variable. Then, i-apply na natin dito yung laws of exponent. Yung i-apply natin dito is yung product law of exponent naman. It states that any number m in integers x and y, m to the power of x times m to the power of y is equal to m to the power of x plus y. So, pag same yung base nila, copy lang natin yon, then i-add lang natin yung exponent. So, i-apply natin yon dito. 2 times 3, 6, no? Same yung base nila, so copy lang natin yung base. I-add lang natin yung exponent. Dito rin, copy base, add yung exponent, 2 plus 1, copy yung base, z, then 1 plus 2. Okay, then simplify na natin. 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, ito na yung final answer natin. So, then na yun. And lastly, for number 5, 3m squared n cubed over xy squared to the power of 2 times x cubed y z squared over 2mn squared to the power of 3. Okay. So, first, apply muna natin dito yung power of quotient. So, alam na natin to. I-distribute lang natin itong mga exponent dito. So, first, dito muna tayo sa una. So, i-distribute natin yung squared. Magiging 3 squared. M to the power of 2 squared. N cube squared, x squared, y squared to the power of 2. So, distribute lang natin yung exponent. Quotient rule, power of quotient rule. So, ito lang natin natin. Same rin dito yung gagawin natin. Distribute lang din natin yung exponent. Magiging x cubed to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, z squared to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, n to the power of 3, n squared to the power of 3. So, distribute lang din natin ulit yung exponent. Then, yan, power to power na naman. So, natin ulit ito. 3 squared is 9, 3 power to power, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, x squared, 2 times 2 is 4. So, yun lang, i-upload natin yung mga luwa lang dito. Kasi yung exponent. 2 times 3 is 9, y cube lang to, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, then y cube lang, 2 times 3 is 6. So, yun lang yun. Then, ito na. Paano natin ito i-simplify? So, gagamit tayo dito ng quotient law naman. Ito naman yung quotient law. Any number m in integers x and y, m to the power of x over m to the power of y is m to the power of x minus y. So, pag nag-divide tayo, pag same lang yung base, ang gagawin lang natin, sinasubtract lang natin yung kanilang exponent. So, i-apply natin yan dito. Okay? First, copy natin yung constant m. Yung constant na 9. Then, yung m. So, may m tayo dito, may m tayo dito. So, di-divide natin sila. Same base. Copy lang natin yung base na m. Then, isasubtract lang natin yung kanilang exponent. So, 4 minus 3. So, ito na. Okay, so, wala na yung m. Next is yung n naman natin. So, ganun din. Copy lang yung base. Then, subtract lang natin yung exponent nila. Next is yung 9x naman natin. So, 9 minus 2 lang. Then, yung y natin. So, makikita natin dito, yung nasa denominator na y natin, mas mataas yung kanyang exponent. So, 4 siya, ito 3 lang. So, pag ganyan, so yung y natin is, may iwan, dito pa rin siya sa denominator, no? Hindi siya doon sa taas. Okay? Kasi mas mataas yung value niya. So, dito siya sa denominator, y to the power of 4 minus 3. Okay? So, kung nasan yung mas mataas, doon may lalagay yung variable. Okay? Next natin, copy lang natin yung z. Kasi wala namang z sa denominator. Then, yung 8 na constant. Then, simplify lang natin yan. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then, copy lang natin ito. Now, meron tayo ditong n to the power of 0. Okay, remember, any number raised to 0 is always equal to 1. So, pag makita ka ng exponent 0, automatic 1 na yung value niya. Okay? Then, m to the 1 is m. 9m na to. Then, to the 0 is 1. X to the 7. Z to the 6. Copy lang natin yan. Then, 8 times y is 8y. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? Thanks for watching. Sana marami kayong natutunan and don't forget to subscribe.